How to unblock someone on Poshmark. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to unblock someone on Poshmark. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Poshmark website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here on the menu, you will see this drop down options right here that says listing and people. So make sure that it's in people so that we can search a lot of people to, block or unblock. So for example, I'm going to search someone, and I'm going to go to their profile. And right here, in order to block them, you can just click the three dots right here on the right and just click block user. And this window will appear that says that, are you sure that you want to block this user? And I'm just going to click yes. And as you can see, this user has been blocked. And in order to unblock them, just use the same way again. Just click the three dots corner and click unblock user. And yeah, that's it. As you can see, this person is already unblocked in my profile, and that's how we do it. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.